Hi there, welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face in 2021. Now in a moment, I'm going to share with you why getting free billboard ads on the front page of Google is the best way to drive targeted traffic to your products and services. But for now, let's get into the video. So the question is, why wouldn't somebody want to be in front of the camera when it comes to shooting their video? Simple. Number one, they could be camera shy, which is understandable. Not everybody is comfortable being in front of the camera. Number two, maybe English isn't their first language and they feel uncomfortable portraying a message in English. Also understandable. Some people want privacy due to family, friends, and maybe work reasons. Not all careers really allow you to have a private or public platform in order to convey messages. It might be a conflict of interest. So that's another reason why. Some people don't like the way they look, once again, which kind of relates to being camera shy. And public speaking is the number one fear. So to be honest, even though you're not in front of a public audience, you are technically speaking to a worldwide audience in terms of being in front of potentially hundreds, thousands, or even millions of people if you go viral. So the question is, how do you get around this? Well, the best thing to know is this. 99% of niches do not require you to be in front of the camera, which is amazing. So this is anywhere from pets, if you're in the pet niche, if you're in the e-com niche, if you're, martial arts, golf, you can put together videos and slides and music, and that is literally it. You do not have to be in front of the camera. You can just portray your message through slides and videos, making it very easy to produce content and to get it out there quicker. Another way that this can be done in terms of you not showing your face in front of the camera is something called Creative Commons. Now, Creative Commons are videos that people allow you to use without it infringing on their copyright. So if we go to YouTube and we type in, let's say, the UFC, we would head over to filters, and under filters, you'll see a lot of drop lists coming through. Now you're going to go to features, and under features, you'll see Creative Commons. Now, if you click on Creative Commons, these are the videos you'll be able to incorporate into your video. This is just an example. So why would this be useful? Let's say you're doing a top 10 list of whatever it is. So it's top 10 fighters, top 10 moments in the UFC. You can get a compilation of some of these scenes. And as long as you're kind of adding value by giving commentary over it, or just compiling it, you literally have a unique video and you can be able to monetize in some form or shape. So maybe you have a affiliate link to some UFC gear underneath your video, or you've got a membership. You can monetize it quite easily. So that's another way to make money without actually showing your face. Next would be a website called Vidnami. Now, Vidnami enables you to, if you come over here, it enables you to literally add text into the software, and the software generates a unique video with not only videos and images, but you have the option to actually have text and an automated voiceover. So a quick example would be this. So I can just quickly give you guys an idea of what I'm talking about.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our fun.
I'll just mute that just in case there's any copyright. But you get the idea, right? You've got video, really high quality images and visuals, and you've got great text, and you've got a voiceover. You can do your own voiceover if you want, but they also provide a list of automated voiceovers for you. So that is another way you can do this. You can always head over to Fiverr and hire someone. Now, Fiverr is a website of, I would say, freelancers that offer their services for quite cheap. And you can come in here and type in explainer videos. And you're going to get so many people offering their services. I mean, it's amazing. Come over here, check this guy out, and you can get something like this.
Are you a business owner looking for an explainer or promo video for your product, service, website, business, or promotion? Well,
so you get the idea. So essentially, there's something for everybody's budget. So you can go over to budget, and let's say you type in $5 or £5. There's going to be somebody who can do something for you. So it's just a matter of going through the website, figuring out what you want to do, what you're looking for, and working with that freelancer who's offering the gig to kind of produce something that is more in line with what you're looking for. Now you know you can do a couple of these things: Creative Commons, Vidnami, Fiverr. You can also do a faceless video, such as myself right now, where you're just speaking into the microphone, demonstrating or communicating whatever you're trying to communicate across. Lastly, you can use family and friends. If you're an affiliate marketer, for example, or you just want somebody to speak for you, you can use your family, friends, and you can handle the business side of stuff. So you can handle the structure, uploading the video, putting the links in the description, stuff like that. And now you have a great way to communicate your ideas and starting to make money without showing your face. But the money part is important. How do you monetize all of this activity? Well, you can do e-commerce, which would be Shopify, Amazon FBA. You can create videos around the products that you're offering and put the link in the description, and you can generate traffic to those links and you're making money. Another option would be affiliate marketing. Now, I would say especially for beginners, the best place for you would be to head over to ClickBank, a website called ClickBank. Now, here's one of my dummy accounts. The reason why is because they offer so many niches, as you can see on the left. You've got so many niches to get into. And if you're really confused about what to promote, you can just do this. Don't type anything in the find product section. Just click the search tool. And what will happen, it will generate the best selling offers at the moment. Now, all you have to do is figure out what niche you want to get into. I'd recommend health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the most popular ones you can get out here. But as you see right here, someone's going to pay you $135 per sale. That's in the health and fitness. Belly tonic, right? BioFit, $174. Diabetes, $50. I mean, you've got so many options here. So this would be a great way to do a video around, let's say, the diabetes niche. And then you literally offer this at the end, a recommendation. You recommend this product, right? And they pay you $50.65. So if you do this continuously, this can stack up quite quickly. Another way for you to do this is through Google AdSense. Now, Google AdSense is YouTube's partnership program, which enables you to monetize your channel. When you monetize your channel, ads are run on your channel and that generates you income. The only issue here is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which might take a while to get to. But if you're shooting videos or you're creating videos rather, and your face isn't in it, and you're able to monetize your channel, you're making money. And that's a perfect way to do this. As I promised earlier, I'm going to show you why placing your products on the front page of Google is just unbeatable. Organic traffic. Now, the reason why organic traffic is so powerful is because Facebook ads are going up, Google ads, all these different ads are going up and again becoming more costly. But Google rewards those who create content that they find useful for their customer, right? So let's go over here real quick and let me type in, let me say ClickFunnels review. Now I've just typed in ClickFunnels review, and as you can see, there's 3 people here paying $12.08 to be here. I mean, that is quite expensive. That's per click. So if I click this, it's going to cost them $12.08. Now, why would somebody pay that? Well, first of all, this is mainly their competitors. So they're trying to get a bit of juice off of the ClickFunnels name. But secondly, there's 3,600 monthly views here. Why wouldn't you want to be here? So it would be a good investment because it would mean more sales. However, what's better than paid ads is free Google ads. And this is why these guys here are crushing it. You see, videos and ranking videos to the front page of Google organically is the best way to drive targeted quality traffic to your products and services. As you can see, this guy here has 7,376 views, which is a lot of views with an affiliate link at the bottom, which means it's safe to say he's made a lot of money. High engagement, that's 82 comments. So whether we like it or not, Google is showing a lot more love to videos and placing them on the front page of Google. And it's just unavoidable. It's amazing. If you can get your products and services for competitive keywords such as this, you are going to bank and make a lot of money. But if you want to know more about this, you can go to the description below, or I'll pin it to the top comment. I'll put it in the description below. One of the two. Look out for both. What I'll do, I'll link a free training below, and you can find out more details as to how you can make this happen for yourself, for your products and services. How you can get any video ranked on page 1 and enjoy all the benefits that they're enjoying without having to pay a steep price. Well, if you like this video, please comment, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about the top 5 strategies to generate income with affiliate marketing on YouTube in 2021.